My September Boxycharm by Ipsy is here, so today we are going to open it up. I got everything pulled up on my phone so I can tell you what I chose and what Ipsy chose for me. I don't think I did any add-ons this month. Can't remember, but we'll find out. Do you remember, though, the choices for this box were very meh, and I wasn't too excited and or thrilled. Here's the inside of the box. First up, we got this Shades by Shan, the Pore Diffusing Primer. So this is a nourishing and hydrating primer. It's silicone free and it's going to give you a smooth makeup application. Sounds like a pretty decent primer. I love trying new primers. The second item Ipsy chose for me is this Real Her dual-ended lip liner. This is in, I guess, Elegant Charm. I don't know if either end has like a different shade name, so there's no shade name. So this is the first shade, and then here's the second shade. So this is the first shade, this is the second. They're both pretty pinky. I'll use this. I don't know, I'm kind of just sick and tired of getting so many lip liners. I just feel like we could do something different. Next up, we have my first choice, which was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening Volumizing Mascara in black. The packaging of this feels very heavy and nice, which I wouldn't expect nothing less from Anastasia. This is what the wand looks like. I'm excited to try it. It looks like it's a dry formula, which I do like a drier mascara. My second choice was the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Wonder, which is a rose mauve. I am excited for this. I wanted to try a lip oil from Rare Beauty, and I'm just very into the tinted lip oils right now. So let's swatch this on the back of my hand. This is really pretty, and it would kind of look pretty with this, but I want to try this on the lips. This is what the applicator looks like. I like the applicator. So this is what it looks like on the lips. It's really, really pretty. I really like the shade. My third choice is this REM Beauty Hypernova Satin Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Out of Office. I've been wanting a new bronzer. I feel like none of my bronzers are good for my skin tone. I don't know. So let's see how this is. Just really light. It's okay. It'll be good for winter. It's very creamy though. Nice formula. I like REM Beauty. I just don't love the packaging. I just feel like it's cheapy kinda. So I would show you all three, but this one just fell out onto my lap and onto the floor. So hold.
A few moments later.
Okay, so these are all the shades. I'm trying to like get it to focus. Of course, the shade right here, which is called Pearl, is the prettiest one. They're all pretty. I feel like whenever I get Natasha Denona palettes, something's always broken, and I feel like for the price that you pay for Natasha Denona, like in Sephora, things shouldn't be falling out. Things should be glued. You should be getting really good quality. And now I'm curious how much this is. This is $55. See, to me that's not really worth it, but I'll swatch the shades for you guys. They do feel really nice. It's just, to me, packaging just isn't the best. First up is Pearl. I mean, that is a really pretty highlight. Then we have Sun Glow, another really nice shade, very golden. And then we have Bronze, which is obviously bronze. So I just wiped off my hand with all the swatches, and this is the Rare Beauty lip stain, like what it stained my hand. So it's gonna be a really pretty lip stain. Overall, I think this month's box was okay. The two products I am excited for are the Anastasia mascara and the Rare Beauty lip oil. But let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you get Boxycharm by Ipsy, tell me what you got. I would love to hear. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.